CNS Amura Precision Company Limited, CAP, is a joint venture company established in 2012 between the Saigon Industry Corporation and its partner from Singapore. CAP specializes in high-precision molds for plastic, rubber, and aluminum die casting. We also manufacture components with high precision used in the automotive, telecommunication, computer, electrical, electronics, medical, food, household, and automation industries. With outstanding development and the aim to increase production scale, in 2018, CAP completed and put into operation a new factory, which is located on D2 Street, Hi-Tech Park, District 9, with a total area of 13,731 square meters and divided into two sectors, factory sector and office unit. Therein, the factory sector consists of a mold factory, which specializes in designing and processing molds precisely, and a high-tech plastic factory, which specializes in manufacturing precise plastic parts, along with a large pressing capacity and applications for many fields.
アンブラの新工場は、日本のマシン、ニューマシンを入れて、大変いいと思います。また5S がしっかりしてて、期待できて、今後も、取引をぜひお願いしたいと思います。
マシンも大きい機械があったりして広いスペースで非常にいい工場だと思います。品質の方も安定したもので納期も満足する納期で完成するんで非常に仕事としてはいいパートナーという形で保ってます。納期の方も単納期に対応してくれて価格の方も交渉次第では低い価格でいろんな対応をしてくれます。
Currently, CAP has invested in Stage 2, which includes broadening the factory and investing in modern equipment for manufacturing big-size products to meet the increasing requirements of domestic and foreign customers. 100% new machinery and equipment are supplied from reputable and high-quality manufacturers around the world, such as Japan, G7 countries, and the USA. Particularly the Makino CNC 5-axis D300 milling machine, CNC Vertical Machining Center, CNC EDM machine, CNC Wire Cut, and CMM machine with optimal features and high precision. For technical plastic manufacturing, CAP invested in a modern plastic pressing machine with many sizes, from 30 to 860 tons, from Japanese manufacturers such as Nisei and Sumitomo, globally famous brands. With the current capacity, we produce high-quality products that meeting the strict specifications of domestic and foreign corporations and enterprises, such as Samsung, Jabil, Schneider, Gulf Rubber. In the future, depending on market demand, CAP will invest in Stage 3 to expand production scale in order to create products with high technology and high added value content to meet the increasing requirements of customers. We focus on building, maintaining, and developing a highly skilled, professional, dynamic, and reliable staff, as well as building solidarity and commitment among levels of management and all employees to consolidate a friendly, fair, and dedicated environment in order to meet the diverse needs and high expectations of our customers. CAP has continuously improved our quality management system to increase performance and productivity in the production process. In addition, CAP strictly controls the operating costs in production and business operations to provide our customers with the most competitive price. We have always offered perfect solutions to produce high quality and high stability products in the shortest possible time, thereby helping customers to penetrate the market in the quickest manner.
I think CAP have here a very good starting position for new customers with a modern building, very good machinery in tool making as well as in injection molding. For us it's very important that we are very strong partners with good appreciation, and it was very important here that we could start a very good improvement process on both sides. We are very satisfied with the employees of company CAP here. We, company Rocco, got their own team provided by CAP to work together, so we can solve all requirements very quickly and effectively.
We are working with CNS Amura for over 6 years. We are very satisfied about CNS Amura services because they provide good quality with high precision on time. The facilities is very good, very clean, and using a very high technology machinery.
CAP is always looking for the latest technical solutions to optimize the application technology system in the production process to achieve the highest performance. The most outstanding thing is that CAP used advanced software called NX CAD/CAM Unigraphic 3D from Siemens to improve the latest technology and design solutions. The design engineers from CAP are well trained domestically and internationally in order to operate professional software corresponding to their field area the best. The creativity and flexibility of the design team will provide customers with optimal solutions to meet the specific technical requirements of customers. CAP commits to the standard of quality according to the ISO 9001-2015 standard, applying 5S Kaizen standards in accordance with the Japanese enterprise model, meeting strict standards of American, Japanese, and European customers. This demonstrates the foundation for ensuring the stable productivity and quality of CAP. With the capacity of machinery, equipment, and factories invested, the company expects to connect and cooperate with domestic and foreign partners and businesses to produce high-tech products with the application value in many fields, such as aviation, automation, electronics, telecommunications, and other industries, in order to exploit the maximal capacity of existing factories, machinery, and equipment. By aiming to become the leading precision machining company in Vietnam, we have been constantly learning and updating the latest technology to improve and optimize our production process in order to provide our customers with high-quality products and best services at the most competitive prices. Perfect service, best quality, time saving. These are the core values which CAP has constantly built and developed, and also are the commitments for CAP to strive for increased trust and meet the expectations of customers. CNS Amura Precision. Good quality, quick progress, lead to success.